Good day everyone. These are the 9 classification of dangerous goods. Class 1, explosive. This one. Materials that can be detonated or rapidly combust due to a chemical reaction. Examples include ammunition, fireworks, flares, and blasting caps. Class 2, gases. This one. Substances with a vapor pressure of 300 kPa or more at 50 degrees Celsius or that are completely gaseous at 20 degrees Celsius. Gases can be flammable, toxic, or corrosive. Class 3, flammable liquids. This one. Liquids or mixtures of liquids that produce flammable vapors or certain temperatures and have a flash point of 140.9 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Class 4, flammable solids. This one. Substances that can be spontaneously combust or emit flammable gases when they come into contact with water. Class 5, oxidizing substances or organic peroxide. This one. A class of dangerous goods. Toxic and infectious substances. These two. A class of dangerous goods. Class 7, radioactive materials. This one. A class of dangerous goods. Class 8, corrosive. This one. A class of dangerous goods. Class 9, miscellaneous dangerous goods. This one, the last one. Waste that are hazardous but don't fit into any category. And that's all the 9 classification of dangerous goods. Thank you.